What a wonderful.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Aesha. I hope you all are safe and doing well. So in this video I am going to share with you a no makeup look. The very first most important step before the makeup is CTM, which is cleansing, toning and moisturizing. So I just wash my face and now I am applying toner, which is biotic toner. It is very good for oily skin and open pore skin. I apply with hands only. You can also apply with cotton also. Now I'm going to apply some cream and use Good Vibes Lily of the Valley. Yes, and this is so hydrating cream. After moisturizer, I am going to use this Lakme Absolute. This is a very low coverage foundation, or you can just replace it with any compact powder you have. Now I'm going to apply some compact powder. And now you are done with your base, and I am going to apply some thoda sa blush on my cheeks. Now for eyes, I am going to apply some kajal on my eyes. You can use kajal and eyeliner at the same time, but I am using kajal and mascara only. I am going to use this Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara. This is not waterproof and I don't generally use waterproof mascara. You can see the effect of mascara, it's amazing. And now I'm going to apply some lipstick or just lip balm. वैसे भी मास्क में कौन ही देखने वाला है. So I'm just going to apply some lipstick. So this is my final finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel below. Bye bye.